Hello?
Okay.
See.
Going to paint.
We're going to paint. I open the paint first.
You choose first which one. You show them what you're going to paint.
This is cool. First start this one, the black one.
What do you want to paint?
This one is paint this one. Let's paint this one first.
What is that? You show them what is that.
Zebra.
You show them.
Zebra. Crocodile.
Show them like this, Crocodile.
Parrot. Elephant. Snakes. Giraffe. Lion.
This one is tiger and this one is lion.
Tiger. Lion.
Yes.
May you help me? In hippo. Help me, mommy. Yeah. And Magy. That's all.
That's all. And what are you going to paint first? Just one?
This one.
What is that? A zebra?
Yes.
Okay, let's put this all here again.
Later, Mama.
Later.
First you paint first this one.
What color are you going to use?
Black.
Color black, okay.
Where's the parrot, right? I have you, Mom.
Okay, thanks. Okay, let's open the color black.
Black. Here. Challenge. Let's zebra first. I saw it go. And Yassi is not there. Hello, challenge. What did you go? Don't fall. There's don't challenge. Challenge. Go home this night. I broke it. Sorry, I broke it. I'm scared. I'm scared my this is broken.
It's open.
No, it's broken now.
Oh, what happened?
Guess I do like this.
I told you. It's going to break, oh. You will paint that one. Just color black. Did you know what are you going to do there?
Yeah.
Wait. Just small, Where's the box?
I think painting first this one. Paint. It's like a...
Careful.
Careful. Careful. Careful to paint. So, ano?
It's okay.
Sorry, Mama. It's okay, Mama.
Wait, I'll close this first.
Okay, cover my hands. Look, almost.
No, it's just a spot, diba? Black spot.
Okay. Almost. Almost.
Zebra. The broken zebra.
Hello, cherry.
This is, what is it? What do you call this?
Zebra.
Zebra. Do you like it?
Yeah.
That's enough.
One.
Two, tapos, open.
What's this?
Come on, give me. Let's count. This is macaroni. Stand for me. You will count. Excuse me. 1.
Look at me.
Don't eat.
Why?
Dirty. Excuse me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
9,
10. I got 10 also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
Wow.
9. Now let's count, ha? We will count. Now let's count. 1,
1,
2,
2,
3,
3,
4,
4,
5,
5,
6,
6,
7,
7,
8,
8,
9,
9,
10.
10.
Now you count again. Like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
4,
6,
6,
7, 8, 9,
9,
10.
10.
Now you count like that. Count.
1,
1,
10,
2,
2, 3,
3,
7,
4,
4, 9,
5,
5, 1,
6,
6, 3,
7,
7, 18,
8,
8, 5, 5,
9,
9, 1,
10.
10,
Again. Let's count. 1,
1, 3,
2,
2,
again.
1,
1,
2,
2,
3,
3,
5,
4.
4,
Again.
1,
1,
2,
2,
3,
3,
and second,
4.
4.
Again. Start from 1 again.
1,
1, 2.
Second.
What's next?
Second.
3.
3.
Again.
Mm.
Hey. You count properly. So you will go up to 10. Go. 1.
So 1 cat.
Go.
1.
1. One,
1.
2, 3,
3.
4.
4.
4 first. Up to 4. You count again. 1,
1. 10.
2,
2.
3. Bye-bye guys. See you later. Ay.